Here we go for the 600 fry words. List 1. Can't, matter, square, syllables, perhaps, bill, felt, suddenly, test, direction, center, farmers, ready, anything, divided, general, energy, subject, Europe, moon, region, return, believe, dance, members. List 2. Picked, simple, cells, paint, mind, love, cause, rain, exercise, eggs, train, blue, wish, drop, developed, window, difference, distance, heart, sight, some, summer, wall, forest, probably. List 3. Legs, sat, main, winter, wide, written, length, reason, kept, interest, arms, brother, race, present, beautiful, store, job, edge, past, sign, record, finished, discovered, wild, happy. And list 4. Beside, gone, sky, grass, million, west, lay, weather, root, instruments, meet, third, months, paragraph, raised, represent, soft, weather, clothes, flowers, shall, teacher, held, describe, drive. Okay, practice these 600 fry words and then move on to number 700.